Welcome to this step-by-step guide. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a URL link for any PDF document using the updated tools and methods for 2025. Whether you want to share a file online, send it through email, or make it accessible from your website, this guide will walk you through the easiest ways to turn your PDF into a shareable link. Let's get started. First is open your web browser and click the 9 dots. Select the drive and click it. Now in the drive, click the New and click File Upload. Upload in PDF file and click Open. Once it's uploaded, right-click the file and click Share and click Copy Link. And that's it. Now you know how to create a URL link for a PDF document quickly and effortlessly using the 2025 methods. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to check out more guides to simplify your digital workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.